Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Fusion Turbo louder. First, consider upgrading your exhaust system. A catback exhaust, for example, can significantly enhance the turbo's presence by allowing exhaust gases to flow more freely. Next, look into intake modifications. A cold air intake can introduce more air, creating a noticeable whoosh sound. These initial steps are crucial for achieving a more aggressive turbo note. Upgrading your exhaust is a primary way to achieve a louder turbo. A performance catback system, often costing around $500 to $1,500, replaces restrictive factory piping, allowing your turbo to be heard more clearly. Similarly, a cold air intake, typically priced between $200 and $400, not only boosts performance slightly, but also makes the turbo's induction sounds much more prominent. These modifications work together for a richer sound. For that iconic PSSH sound, an aftermarket blow-off valve is essential. This component releases excess boost pressure, producing a very distinct and often desired noise. Prices range from $150 to $300. While not directly making the turbo louder, a performance tune can optimize your engine's parameters, potentially enhancing the overall auditory experience of your turbo system. Always ensure professional installation for these components. When modifying your Ford Fusion, always prioritize safety and legality. Ensure your chosen parts are compatible and professionally installed to prevent any issues. Also, be mindful of local noise ordinances. Some modifications might exceed legal sound limits. Regular maintenance, like checking for exhaust leaks or intake blockages, will keep your turbo sounding great. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.